الملك يومئذ الحق للرحمن وكان يوما على الكافرين عسيرا.
On that day, the true kingdom will belong only to the merciful Lord. That will be a hard day for those that deny the truth.
ويوم يعض الظالم على يديه يقول يا ليتني اتخذت مع الرسول سبيلا.
A day when the wrongdoer will bite his hands, saying, "Would that I had stood by the messenger."
يا ويلتى ليتني لم أتخذ فلانا خليلا.
Woe is me, would that I had not taken such a one for a friend.
لقد أضلني عن الذكر بعد إذ جاءني وكان الشيطان للإنسان خذولا.
He led me astray from the admonition that had come to me. Satan proved to be a great betrayer of man.
وقال الرسول يا رب إن قوم اتخذوا هذا القرآن مهجورا.
And the messenger will say, "My Lord, my own people had made this Quran an object of laughter."
وكذلك جعلنا لكل نبي عدوا من المجرمين وكفى بربك هاديا ونصيرا.
O Muhammad, thus did we make for every prophet enemies from among those immersed in evil. Your Lord suffices you as a guide and a helper.
وقال الذين كفروا لولا نزل عليه القرآن جملة واحدة كذلك لنثبت به فؤادك ورتلناه ترتيلا.
Those who disbelieve say, "Why was the Quran not revealed to him all at once?" It was revealed thus, that we may fully impress it on your mind. And for the same end, we have revealed it gradually according to a scheme in fragments.
ولا يأتونك بمثل إلا جئناك بالحق وأحسن تفسيرا.
This was also done so that whenever they put any strange question to you, we sent its right answer and explained the matter in the best manner.
الذين يحشرون على وجوههم إلى جهنم أولئك شر مكانا وأضل سبيلا.
Those who shall be mustered in the hell upon their faces, their stand is the worst, and their way most erroneous.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلنا معه أخاه هارون وزيرا.
Verily, we granted Moses the book and appointed his brother Aaron with him as his helper.
فقلنا اذهبا إلى القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا فدمرناهم تدميرا.
And said to him, "Go the two of you to the people who have given the lie to our signs." Thereafter we utterly destroyed them.
وقوم نوح لما كذبوا الرسل أغرقناهم وجعلناهم للناس آية وأعتدنا للظالمين عذابا أليما.
The same happened with the people of Noah. When they gave the lie to the messengers, we drowned them and made of them a sign of warning for all mankind. We have kept ready a painful chastisement for the wrongdoers.
وعادا وثمود وعادا وثمود وأصحاب الرس وقرونا بين ذلك كثيرا.
And in like manner were the Ad and the Thamud destroyed, and the people of Ar-Ras, and many a nation in the centuries in between.
وكلا ضربنا له الأمثال وكلا تبرنا تتبيرا.
We warned each of them by examples of the nations so destroyed in the past, and we totally annihilated each of them.
ولقد أتوا على القرية التي أمطرت مطر السوء أفلم يكونوا يرونها بل كانوا لا يرجون نشورا.
They have surely passed by the town which was rained upon by an evil rain. Have they not seen it? Nay, but they do not believe in being raised up after death.
وَإِذَا رَأَوْكَ إِن يَتَّخِذُونَكَ إِلَّا هُزُوًا أَهَذَا الَّذِي بَعَثَ اللَّهُ رَسُولًا.
Whenever they see you, they take you for nothing else but an object of jest, saying, "Is this whom Allah has sent as a messenger?"
إِن كَادَ لَيُضِلُّنَا عَنْ آلِهَتِنَا لَوْلَا أَن صَبَرْنَا عَلَيْهَا وَسَوْفَ يَعْلَمُونَ حِينَ يَرَوْنَ الْعَذَابَ مَنْ أَضَلُّ سَبِيلًا.
Had we not firmly persevered in our devotion to them, He had almost led us astray from our gods. But soon, when they see the chastisement, they will come to know who had strayed too far from the right way.
أَرَأَيْتَ مَنِ اتَّخَذَ إِلَٰهَهُ هَوَاهُ أَفَأَنتَ تَكُونُ عَلَيْهِ وَكِيلًا.
Have you ever considered the case of him who has taken his carnal desire for his God? Can you take responsibility for guiding him to the right way?
أَمْ تَحْسَبُ أَنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ يَسْمَعُونَ أَوْ يَعْقِلُونَ إِنْ هُمْ إِلَّا كَالْأَنْعَامِ بَلْ هُمْ أَضَلُّ سَبِيلًا.
Do you think that most of them hear or understand? For they are merely like cattle, nay, even worse than them.
أَلَمْ تَرَ إِلَى رَبِّكَ كَيْفَ مَدَّ الظِّلَّ وَلَوْ شَاءَ لَجَعَلَهُ سَاكِنًا ثُمَّ جَعَلْنَا الشَّمْسَ عَلَيْهِ دَلِيلًا.
Have you not seen how your Lord spreads the shade? If He will, He could have made it stationary instead. We have made the sun its pilot.
ثُمَّ قَبَضْنَاهُ إِلَيْنَا قَبْضًا يَسِيرًا.
So as the sun rises, we gradually roll up that shade unto us.
وَهُوَ الَّذِي جَعَلَ لَكُمُ اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا وَالنَّوْمَ سُبَاتًا وَجَعَلَ النَّهَارَ نُشُورًا.
It is Allah who has made night a garment for you, and sleep the repose of death, and has made day the time of rising to life.
وهو الذي أرسل الرياح بشرا بين يدي رحمته وأنزلنا من السماء ماء طهورا.
And He it is who sends forth the winds as glad tidings, heralding His mercy. Then we send down pure water from the sky.
لنحيي به بلدة ميتا ونسقيه مما خلقنا أنعاما أناسيا كثيرا
that we may revive through it a dead land and give it for drink to many cattle and human beings from among our creation.
ولقد صرفناه بينهم ليذكروا فأبى أكثر الناس إلا كفورا.
We present this wondrous phenomenon to them over and over again, that they may learn a lesson from it. But most people simply decline everything except disbelief and ingratitude.